Bella. Hi. Chloe. Bella. 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 Hannah, you want another present? Look at this nice, beautiful living room we have going on here. Hannah, can you handle one more? Hannah. Hannah, Earth to Hannah. Hello. Come here, Hannah. Let's check this out. One more present. Oh, look what Mama got. Oh. What do you think? Are you ready? Yes? Bill? Yes? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it up. Let's do it up big. All right. Okay, this is the last one, Han, so make it good. Make it count.
I guess where Jamie said they had that,
Gary!
where we're wanting from,
The Bare Minerals.
Who's going to clean all this crap up?
And so, but they got everything that you get at Kmart, Walmart.
Oh,
Or
look at those puppies. What is it, Hannah?
Somebody works. It's like all under one roof.
My genius dog. And it's Chloe. And it is Bella patiently waiting. Because nobody likes me. Okay, you getting it? Go ahead, Belle. Some are done. Rip it up.
Did you put some on, Jamie?
Yeah, hold on. I'm a filmmaker now. Starting a new career. Hi! Bella, are you waiting for your turn? Baby, how do you like yours? Is it good? Hey, clown face.
Nancy?
Yes, it's very hard work opening presents. Hannah! I know, they're all like, this is unbelievable.
Crap, because I know as soon as she gets it open, I get it straight.
Hi!